Now this is the next question. We need to have a graph for this. So let me. Now you are given a graph sheet. Okay. I need to just manage with this. Okay, all right. Now, okay, this is the x-axis. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have a point R, and then 1, 2. We have a point P. Okay, P is at 2. So there is a hit. Figure is not a scale, it's just an approximation. And then at 5 there is a point Q. Okay, but apparently the line in which a Q is placed, it's in line with P. So Q is 2, 5, this is 2, 2, and this is 0, 3. Now we have to reflect this on the line y is equal to 1. So this is y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Okay. Now the distance between y is equal to 1 and 2, or I would say difference between the distance between y is equal to 1 and p is 1 unit. So P will start over here. This is my new P. And the distance between R and y is equal to 1 is 2 units. So 1 and this is minus 1. So this point is going to be my new R, which is represented as R dash. Now the distance between y is equal to 1 and Q is going to be 1 and 2, 3 and 4 units. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at this point is my new Q, which is represented as Q dash. So if I were to connect these points, probably you can use another color. Okay, so this is my new reflected triangle. Okay, now we have to create another triangle that's going to be P double dash, Q double dash, R double dash by reflecting P dash, Q dash, R dash onto x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 is nothing but this axis, right? This is x is equal to 0, this is our main axis. Now P dash will move by 2 units because the distance from x is equal to 0 is 2 units. So this is going to be my P, new P dash or new P, which is represented as P double dash. Fair enough. Now my R dash will remain the same. So this will be my R double dash. So let me write R dash here, and this is going to be my R double dash. My Q dash will also be moved. So this distance is 2 units. So this is going to be 1 and 2. So if I were to connect these, so I will have a neat triangle here. Probably you can use another shade. I'm just having a black pen. So this is our new figure. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question is describe fully the transformation that maps P double dash Q double dash R double dash to PQR. Okay, so you just see this figure. Now I can move P double dash to P. You see that foremost what we need to do is we need to have a connectivity, because P double dash has to move to P, and when that happens, how is that going to happen? The transformation can happen only through a rotation of 180 degrees about the point 0,1. So this point is 0, this point is 1. So you have to take this and you have to move it. So when it moves, so probably you can have a dotted line that is connecting Q with Q double dash. Okay, so the rotation is 180 degrees about the point 0,1. So you need to state that after you have drawn this figure. This figure is critical. After you have drawn this figure, you will have to write this: the transformation that maps triangle P double dash Q double dash R double dash onto triangle PQR is rotation of 180 degrees about the point 0,1. Okay, this is a lovely question on geometry, transformation, coordinates, and we move on to the next one. Now there is one last part. You are expected to find the area of triangle PQR. Then we will have to find the area of the triangle when the scale factor is increased by 2. Now let us find the area of this triangle. Now for that, this is the base, and let me draw the height. The height is going to be 2 units here, right? You see 1 and 2. So h is equal to 2 units, and the base is going to be 1, 2, right? We need to get the base from 2 to 5, so base is 3 units. So area of this triangle is half times base into height. The base is 3 units, height is 2 units, therefore area is 3 units. Now what they are saying now is PQR, triangle PQR undergoes an enlargement, of scale factor 2 units. So the enlarged area has got a formula. Is it nothing but area of the original triangle and that is multiplied by the scale factor square. Original triangle is 3, scale factor is given to be as 2 units, so 3 multiplied by 4, the new area is going to be 12 square units. Whatever be the units that they are giving, you can just write that. Okay, so this is a lovely question. Please practice it, and it's the right time for us to move on to the next one.